Good morning, students. I am P. Dastagiri, Chairman of Sri Sai Guru Raghavendra Banking Coaching Center, Nandyal, Kurnool District, Andhra Pradesh. I want to share my views with you. We have no branches anywhere in India. Our only branch is in Nandyal, Kurnool District. I am releasing this video keeping in view of the final year students who are going to write the final year examinations in the month of September. I think by the end of September you are going to complete your final year examinations. You are going to be free by October 1st. I hope you please, by that time everything is going to be normalized. So you please try to come to Nandyal and try to utilize our services. See, please try to observe this table. As on 31/12/2019, our total jobs were 30,412. From January 1st, 2020 to 7th September 2020, we bagged 3,076. As a result, total jobs swallowed up to 33,488. You please try to see this table and try to observe the variance 2019 and 2020, how the institute got the jobs. If you are going to observe this table and if you are going to view, visit the website www.shgbcc.com. You may ascertain the veracity, truthfulness of this organization. So you please try to go through this table and go through the result, and you may see the website and try to have a wise decision. And I hope you are going to come to our institute to have the betterment in your future. With regard to the classes, just I want to show some slides for your visual understanding. Yes, students, already majority of the students, thousands of students from Karnataka joined in our organization. Due to Corona, they were in their villages. So what my sincere appeal to all the old candidates, you need not worry. There won't be any quarantine at Nandyal. So you may come to Nandyal. If it is not possible for you to come to Nandyal, then you please try to follow the schedule up to the end of this month. From 16th of this month up to 30th of this month, you are going to have this schedule, my dear old students. From 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you have to wake up and you have to read the Hindu newspaper. 6 to 7, you have to read the information which is going to be kept in our Telegram app of SHGRBCC official. And every day from 7:30 to 10:30 a.m., every day you are going to have one grand test in online. From Monday to Friday, you are going to have IBPS PO prelims. And on Saturday, you are going to have SBI clerical mains grand test. So, if you are going to come to Nandyal every day from 10:30 to 12:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, you are going to have the offline examination in the institute campus. And if you are at your place, 12:30 onwards, you are going to have the explanation from the grand test paper of that particular day. Mr. Morality is going to explain reasoning and quant. And from already you are well aware that is in the evening hours, that is 2:30 to 3:30, Bhaskar Reddy is going to entertain the arithmetic chapter wise class. If you are interested, you may attend through online. And 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, you are going to have the SSC railway paper explanation. And from 5 o'clock, you are going 5 o'clock to up to 8, after 5 o'clock onwards, you are going to have the solutions in the PDF mode in your app. 6 o'clock every day, I used to give the explanation of that English for the grand test, which you are going to be conducted in the early hours of that particular day. So in addition to this, you are well aware, in our app we kept 350 papers. You please try to do the practice of that papers during the night, that is from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. 24/7, 24 hours you are going to have this service. You need not pay a single fee to the institute. So you please try to utilize these services in online. And what my sincere appeal to you, you please try to come to Nandyal. Here you are having, all hostels are open. That is, you may stay outside or you may stay in the hostel. You need not worry. And you may utilize the lab services. and you may write the offline examinations. And from 16th September onwards, you are well aware that RRB had given the exam date for NTPC. That is, those examinations are going to be conducted from 15th December. So from 15th September to 15th December, 90 days, every day we are going to provide one offline paper for RRB exams also. So what my sincere appeal to you, you please try to come to Nandyal. And with regard to the, yes, students, one more thing, so many candidates are contacting from Karnataka. You please try to put a word to them also. For these 15 days, from 16th of this month to 30th of this month, they may utilize the online services. So from October 1st onwards, they have to come to Nandyal for offline exams and offline classes. That is same schedule. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, they have to inculcate the habit of Hindu paper reading. And 6 to 7, they have to read the information which we are going to keep in Telegram app of SSJRBCC. And 7:30 to 10:30, they used to write the grand test of IBPS PO prelims from Monday to Friday. Saturday, they have to write the SPA clerical mains for 3 hours. Then 11 o'clock, they are going to have the basic reasoning class. And 12:15, if they are going to come to Nandyal, they are going to be given with the offline paper. And 12:30 onwards, Mr. Mola Lady Director is going to explain the quant and reasoning of that grand test of that particular day. And 2 o'clock to 2:30 to 3:30 every day, Mr. Bhaskar Reddy is going to entertain the quantitative aptitude basic classes for the freshers. And 4 o'clock onwards, Mr. Raju is going to explain SSC railway paper. And 5 o'clock onwards, the solutions to the offline paper are going to be kept in app. And 6 o'clock, after 6 o'clock after up to 7:30, every day I used to explain that grand test paper, that is English, for that online grand test paper. 9 to 12, again freshers have to practice exam papers, that is 350 papers we are going to keep in the SSJRBCC app. So you please try to spread this message and try to see that the freshers are going to be admitted in our institute. And while you are going to come to Nandyal, you please try to get at least one fresher along with you so that we may strengthen our hands. And majority of the students are asking how to make the payment. Here we are going to have a simple procedure. So just you have to pay 13,000 rupees, that includes GST, through NEFT to this account 910-1442823. It is the account of Andhra Bhagati Gramina Bank. IFSC code is Andhra Bhagati Gramina Bank 303182. What you have to do is the aspirant have to make the payment and he or she has to send the screenshot to my number, that is 770-272-6669 WhatsApp number, and you have to send your Aadhaar card, Xerox copy and 2 passport size photos and screenshot of 13,000 rupees, so that computer section is going to send the receipt and the user ID and password to you. So with that you can enter into the app and you listen to the online classes and you may write the online examinations. As and when the offline commences, you have to come to Nandyal. And here you are having hundreds of paying guest rooms, you need not worry. And if you are going to stay in the institute hostel, you are going to be provided with the accommodation by collecting 2,100 per month. If you are willing to stay outside of the institute hostels, you have to pay 3,000 rupees per month. So you need not worry, there is no quarantine. And you need not worry, you may come to Nandyal, but you have to be safe by following certain rules. You have to maintain the SMS, that is social distancing, mask wearing, sanitizer, and you have to wear the dry clothes, and you are not supposed to roam on the roads. Just you have to stay in your hostel or in your room, and you have to come to the auditoriums, you have to attend the exam and attend the classes and go to the hostel or rooms, or you have to take the rest and you have to practice. And you are not supposed to take extraordinary things which are available on the streets. So you please try to maintain the neatness and you have to be very, very careful. Then you won't have any problem. So I hope you are all going to follow my advocation, and this is the institute which is generating minimum 3,000 jobs per year. So thousands of candidates, roughly nearly 7,000 to 8,000 candidates who came from Karnataka and got this benefit from this organization. I hope you are going to come and join with us so that you may enjoy the betterment of life in the coming days. So wish you all the best and try to come and join with us. Okay, Nana.